everyone, I am Perlie and Epolla from BTLED HE3, and again I am making this video for my laboratory activity in my subject clothing construction. So for today's video, I will be showing you, or I will be making a video tutorial on how to make a bishop sleeve and also a zippered pocket. So in this video, you will be able to learn the importance of knowing the proper measurement or the proper making of garments or part of the garments, such as the sleeves and the pockets. So in here, you will be able to learn on how to create your own style, your own taste in making a sleeve and also in making a pocket. Again, and also you will be able to know how to create a pattern. And of course guys, you will be able to apply your sewing skills, especially in using a traditional sewing machine or any sewing machine that are available in your homes. And of course, in this video, you will be able to apply or develop your skills in sewing. Malay mo, one day, magkakaroon ka na ng fashion shops. Kumbaga, ikaw na yung gumagawa ng mga damit mo and then ititinda mo siya. Kumbaga, nandun ka na sa fashion industry. Yun, isa ka na sa mga fashion designer and etc. So stay tuned and let's now do the drafting.
The first thing we need to do is to prepare the materials, the pattern paper, scissor, tape measure, ruler, and a pencil. So the next is to prepare a basic sleeve pattern, and then for the cuff, we need to measure our wrist. It depends on you on what measurement do you want for your cuff, but for me, I want to measure it by 7 centimeter. After getting your cuff measurements, you need to mark it on your pattern paper. So next is, when adding a pullover, you need to mark it on the top of the cuff line 4 centimeter downwards, but it depends on what size or measurement do you want to put in your pullover. So for me, it's 4 centimeter, so I'll mark it on my pattern paper. So the next step is we will be using a roller to connect the marks that we did a while back, and we just need to draw our horizontal line in the sleeve pattern. So from the bottom to top, we just need to draw a vertical line. After putting the center marking of the sleeves, you just need to mark at the bottom as your guidance in making the drips. And it's your personal taste, so it depends on how many drips you wanted to put. But for me, I want it more drips in order to make it more attractive and looks perfect. So this is now my pattern sleeve looks like with the 6 drips. The next thing we do is to simply cut the pattern. Now that it is cut, you just need to have another pattern paper. So you just need to put the pattern paper on the top of the new set paper, and then the next thing to do is to cut the drips of the pattern paper. Make sure to leave a small space, 1/4 inch space in the top of the pattern. After cutting the drips of the pattern paper, you just need to spread them equally, because if not, you will not be able to create a perfect look of your bishop sleeves. So it should be in a perfect size, a perfect measurements, and a perfect volume of spreading the drips of the pattern paper. After spreading it equally, you just need to mark at the tip of the drips and also at the top and side parts of the drips. After putting a marks on the pattern paper, you just need to connect them. And on the curved part of the pattern paper, you will need a curved roller. But I don't have anything like that, so I will just need to curve it perfectly in order to make a perfect pattern. After having the main body of the sleeve, you have need to measure now your wrist for the cuff measurement. So you need to measure it just like that, and for me I think it's 15, but for the breathing I put it in 16 centimeter. After getting the size of your cuff line, you just need to put it on the pattern paper measuring the 16 centimeter. This is very easy because you just need to put a rectangular shape in the pattern paper. This is now the pattern look like, and we will now ready to put it in the fabric. So the sleeve pattern is now ready for sewing. We just need to sew in the side part of the fabric and then put the button and the cuff. And this is now the final look of the bishop sleeve. So let's now move on to the next, which is making a zippered pocket. We just only need a fabric, a scissor, and a zipper.
First and foremost, you just need to sew the zipper in the fabric just like that. On the other side of the zipper, you just need to put it in place just like what I'm doing, and you just need to follow that, and then you need to sew. And then you need to make a hole in the back part of the zipper and make sure that you will not be able to cut the zipper. Make sure to sew the zipper thoroughly and then get another fabric for the pocket. And then you just need to sew it in the back just like that, and then it is now ready for the final look of the zippered pocket. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you and hope you learned something. Goodbye!